Wait, did you just close Microsoft Edge but your PC still feels slow? Wait, before we begin, if Microsoft Edge is your default browser, I won't recommend turning this off. Why? Because features like web search, widgets, and quick launch may not work as smoothly. But if Edge is not your default browser and you want to save RAM, CPU, and battery life, this fix is for you. Let's jump in. Welcome back. Let's fix that right now. Here's the thing. Edge keeps running in the background even after you exit. Pro tip, this drains your battery and eats up RAM. But don't worry, I will show you how to fully stop it in under 3 minutes. First, open Microsoft Edge. Now click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. On the left sidebar, click System and Performance. Now click on the System section. Find Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. See that toggle? Switch it to Off. Boom, step 1 done. But hold on, you might still see Edge in Task Manager. Here's why. Some processes linger. Fix it now. In Task Manager, find Microsoft Edge under the Processes tab. Select it. Then click the End Task button at the bottom right corner, or right-click Edge and choose End Task. That's it, fully closed. Pro tip, if Edge is not your default browser, stop it from launching at startup. In Task Manager, switch to the Startup tab. Find Microsoft Edge. If it says Enabled, click Disable, or right-click and select Disable. This saves RAM, CPU, and battery from day one. Now Edge stays closed when you want it closed. Your PC runs smoother, your battery lasts longer. Quick recap, toggle off background apps and lingering tasks and disable startup. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more no-fluff tech fixes. Comment below, what app should I optimize next? Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.